All right, guys. Tonight we're going to do a little bit of messing around with the Blazer again. I think we're just going to try and go through it and get all the crap out of the interior. They got a lot of stuff that was piled up in the back. I already started digging some of it out over there on the floor. But just a bunch of junk piled in the back and in the back seat. So we're just going to start pulling all of it out here, see what we got to work with. All right, so we got everything taken out of the Blazer. We got a big pile on the floor. All kinds of stuff we took out of there, everything to put it back together and then some. Got stuff up on the bench and some extra goodies they got. But take a look inside. We got the front seats pulled out already. Got the carpet cleaned up a little bit over there. Working on cleaning this side up a little. And then start cleaning up the back, but looks pretty good. And actually, pretty good news. We got the gate working. So now we can actually drop the tailgate. Window needs some new lifts on it, but look at that. Like brand new on the inside of this thing. I can't believe it. Well, got everything vacuumed off. Front seats are vacuumed off. Got all the front carpet and the back seat vacuumed off. Looks pretty good. And the back storage area all vacuumed out. Now all the dirt's out of it. We're gonna have to pull all this carpet out anyway and clean it, try and get some of these stains out of it. Maybe we'll see what we can do with it, but that's it for now. All right, so we're gonna finish on the interior. Right now we're gonna start pulling all the carpet out of it, working on getting the back out. Gotta get all the seats and stuff out of the front. Gonna have to pull all the center console out and crap like that, get the back seat pulled out and start doing some heavy cleaning on this stuff. Alright, so I got all the interior stuff pulled out that at least covers the carpet. I don't think I'm going to actually pull it out. I think I can leave it in and get it cleaned up pretty good from inside. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I did look under the back already and the steel is in immaculate condition. You can see everything is still nice and pretty and painted in here. No rust on nothing. So we're going to go ahead and start getting some of the stains out and see what we can do with it. Alright guys, well, had to stop earlier while I was working on it, but I'm going to go back at it some more now. You can see we got the back area pretty clean. Looks a lot better than it did to begin with earlier. Going to go ahead and finish up the back areas here and then we'll move up to the front and get the rest of that done.